Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to watch Prime Video on your PC or laptop. The first method is to watch Prime Video directly in a web browser. Start by opening any web browser on your computer. Once your browser is open, go to the official Amazon Prime Video website. When the website loads, look for the Sign In button. Click on it and enter the email address and password associated with your Prime Video or Amazon account. After signing in successfully, you will be taken to the Prime Video homepage. From here, you can browse through different categories, search for specific movies or TV shows, and start streaming content immediately. If you are using a Windows computer, there is another option available. You can install the dedicated Prime Video app from the Microsoft Store. To do this, click the Start button on your Windows taskbar. Type Microsoft Store into the search bar and press Enter to open it. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click on the search bar and type Prime Video. Find Prime Video for Windows in the search results and select it. Then click the Get or Install button to begin downloading the application. After the installation is complete, launch the Prime Video app from your Start menu. The app may ask you to choose your country before continuing. After that, sign in using your Amazon account credentials. Once signed in, you can browse and stream content directly through the app. Thanks for watching.